J10. There's another one called a J20, which is slightly longer in this section. The way we pull this one apart, you have to twist it, pull it back, and then cock it open. You then pull out the breech plug. You then put it back together. Then you pull the front back and unscrew this piece till it pulls out. Then the front comes off because it's spring loaded. Spring comes out. Then you open it up, and that's as far as we're allowed to strip it. The gunsmith or Ramset can do in the handle, but we can't. Then to put it back together, shut it. Spring in first. Base plate on second, making sure that the flat part on the base plate is with the flat part on there. Screw the barrel back in, finger tight. Once that's back in, let it go. Cock it open, put the breech plug in, and then dry fire. It works. Now to load it, put your safeties on first. This one's, because it's a direct acting tool, you push the charge in the top, the nail in the top, sorry, and it's hard to push down. Then you push the breech plug in, then you put the charge in. Once you've done that, don't shut it until where you're going to fire it. Firing. Cock it open. And then to get the charge out of the breech plug, you put it on that pin. Pops it out, throw the charge away, and put it back together.
Well done.